Good morning. My name is Hector González Hernandez, and today I'm going to present my oral presentation for this course. Before I answer the question, I really want you to know some points that are really important in order to get a better understanding of the answer. First, what is forecasting? Forecasting is like a fortune teller, but more complicated. In statistics, we use forecasting in order to predict new values based on the past data. For example, if I want to predict my next grades for my exams, I need you to look back to my past grades in order to get the new value. Also, for forecasting, we need a precision and accuracy measure that help us know if the prediction is good or is bad. So now the question is, what accuracy measure can be used to evaluate the quality of a time series model applied to the effect forecasting? In other words, we can say this as, once we make the prediction, how can we know if the forecast is good or is bad? For this, we need you to know the accuracy measure that exists. In this case, I will show you the three more common. First, we have the mean absolute error. This accuracy measure gives us the average of the absolute errors between what happened and what we expect. For example, if I was expecting 8 defects, but it really happened 10 defects, the error will be of 2. This accuracy measure took all those difference, ignoring if it's like negative or positive, and only give us the average. Then we have the root mean square error. It's kind of similar to the past one, but in this case, this accuracy measure give more weight to big errors. So if in our model we have like really big defects, this model will give you more value to these errors. Then we have the mean absolute percentage of error. This accuracy measure gives us the error as a percentage. This is useful because it's easy to understand, like saying we were off like 10%. But there is like a really tiny problem with this accuracy measure, that if the number of defects is really low, like close to 0, the accuracy measure will give us high crazy numbers. So it's not always reliable in the effect forecasting. So what will be the answer for this question? In this case of the effect forecasting, what we really usually want is precision and accuracy. That's why the mean absolute error and the root square error are the best choices. They give us a clear idea of how accurate the model is without being affected by very small numbers like the mean absolute percentage of error. And that's it. Those are the accuracy models we can use to evaluate a time series model for the effect forecasting. Thanks for listening.